Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're diving into Universe Sandbox to create something truly extraordinary. A planet made of entirely diamond. We'll set its composition to 100% carbon and place it in orbit around different types of stars to see if it can withstand the heat or if it'll melt away. Let's get started. So, I have a starting planet here. And we're just gonna put some stars here. We're just gonna, how far out should we go? Actually, that depends. Should we go like a blue star? Yeah, let's do like a blue star. So let's just do like whatever this is. Sirius? We'll just do Sirius. Alright, so we'll just put that the correct amount away. So, we're just gonna put it. I mean, we should put it in like the hot range, because like diamond. Maybe it's kind of like a rock. Diamond's like kind of a rock, so maybe the heat will help it form into a diamond. Hopefully it'll even do that. I don't know if it'll do that. It might not do that, but we'll see. So we gotta make it auto orbit so it doesn't just cannonball into the star. So how do we make it auto orbit? I forgot. Where's it? Motion. It's in the motion tab. Auto orbit. I kind of want to title lock it. I really want to do that, but I won't. Anyway, now let's make this thing carbon. So we're just gonna do some touch-ups here. I think I'm gonna take a thumbnail just like this. I don't think I'll play around with the colors today. I'll probably just make it normal. So I'll just take a thumbnail right here in the game. So it doesn't matter if I take it in editing or not. Actually, wait. I just realized I can just green screen out that FPS counter. I'll just take out, why does the Windows snipping tool thing notification pop up was in the way. Anyway, so let's just take a full screen thumbnail right there. Alright. Now, let's make this thing carbon. I'm wondering if we should make the whole thing carbon or just the surface. Let's make the whole thing carbon. Let's do it. Let's diddly do it, ladies and gentlemen. Because why not? Return city lights and vegetation on. It's not gonna actually appear because there's no way this thing is even gonna be close to habitable. But composition, there we go. All right. So how much mass is it? So we'll just do that. So is it going to be 1.17? Is it going to be the same radius as it is when it's not carbon? Place your bets in the comment section, because I have no clue. So we're going to set this thing, we're going to set it to carbon dioxide, and we're going to take off. Whoa, that looked cool for a second. Anyway, we're going to, wow, that's a thick atmosphere. Whoa, that looks cool, and I didn't even plan it. I made the liquid cyan, the liquid color cyan, so it really looks like diamond now. Alright, did you place your bets? No cheating. Let's see if it's the same radius. And it's not the same radius. Wow. Okay, it's 1.6 times the radius of Earth, and then instead of 1.17 times the radius of Earth. Okay, that was interesting. That was an interesting result. I actually wasn't expecting that because I had no clue what was going to happen. Anyway, liquid. Alright, this thing looks like a real diamond. I'm wondering what I'm going to do with this thumbnail, honestly. Because this is kind of... I'll think about it when I actually make the thumbnail. It's whatever. That's a problem for later. So let's just... Alrighty, I think it's time. So I'm just gonna move this thing closer and closer to the star and see what happens. So, people, if you have a smart brain, you know, or if you're smart, well, most people know a star is hot, and if you're near something hot, I don't know, like a kitchen stove or something. I don't know. I'm just thinking of something random. Like, So basically, our heater heats up a whole room. After a while, it heats up the whole room. So even if it's just like the air is coming out in one direction, it's gonna eventually heat up the whole room because the heat is expanding over the air. So it's like spreading out across the air. I'm trying to make this sound really cool, and in reality, I have no idea what I'm saying. But I'm pretty sure that's close. Well, I'm pretty sure that's close to what's happening. I hope. Anyway. Oh, it's gonna boomerang. It's gonna like, I don't know. It has an elliptical orbit now. At least that's what the line is saying. So I'm just gonna let this play, and it's just gonna orbit. Why is the star moving? The star isn't supposed to move, but whatever. Whoosh. Oh my gosh! Whoa, Blazers! Did you see that? Like on the top right, it was like burning. Whoa! All right, let's go back around for another pass. And this thing is blazing hot. Alright, now the thumbnail. Woohoo! Let me retake that thumbnail, actually. No, just like right at the worst possible second moment. The Windows snipping tool thing notification popped up. And, oh my gosh, okay, give me a second, Blazers. Technical difficulties trying to take this one thumbnail. Whoa. It's got like this orange, like kind of aura around the planet outline. Whoa. I'm gonna make the atmosphere blue as well. Okay, I'm gonna have to use the space camera. Okay. I think I know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, never mind. Never mind. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this thumbnail. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next star. We're just gonna delete the star and bye-bye, starry. Habitable zones off, and let's just do a main sequence star. So let's just do it like right here. Okay, this is going way too fast. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna collide? I don't think so. Oh, it's definitely gonna collide. Yep, well, bye-bye Diamond Planet. Maybe I'll just do one thumbnail. I don't even know how in the world I did this thumbnail. Well, y'all know, because that's probably why you clicked off the video. I mean, on the video. That's probably why you clicked on the video. Because you saw the blazing thumbnail I cooked up. That sounds weird. Alright. Let me just position the camera in a professional advanced. It says user interface hidden. But it's not hidden. I can clearly see it right here. Are you sure it's hidden? Doesn't look very hidden to me. What is happening? Alright, finally. I'm gonna have to pick only certain I'm gonna only have to pick certain. I'm gonna have to like, what was I gonna say? Okay, forget it. I don't even know what I was gonna say anymore. I just give up. Alright. And I just pressed play and that thing just shot into the star. Wow. Alright. Alrighty. So that was interesting. Anyway, Blazers, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye-bye!